In less than 9 minutes, I'm going to show you how I was able to get this particular video from this to this and also from this to this, all for free. If you're interested in spicing up your videos like this, stick with me, let's do this.
Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Oftentimes, we content creators, we try to find a new way to improve the quality of our video, the quality of our content, and we try to make it as affordable as possible. But what I'm driving at is that this light effect behind me, this thing going on here is actually not there. I mean, it is here, but this light effect is actually fake. Oops. Guys, today we are going to be making today's video with our baby boy. We haven't really introduced him yet, but baby boy decided to show up today. So moving on. On this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve this light effect that is really glamming up my video. So if you're interested in getting this background light that kind of makes your video more softer and more appetizing for your viewers to enjoy, stick with me. Let's get the tutorial on how to get this.
Open your CapCut app, click on New Project, select your preferred video and add. So once you import your video, make sure you click on the video, then scroll the icons below, scroll until you see the relight icon. It is right after the remove BG icon. So click on this relight option and wait for it. This will not take too long. Guys, make sure your mobile data is on. Scroll below to check which option that you prefer. But for this particular video I made using this relight option, this here, the rainbow lights, is the one I used. As you can see, it has appeared already. To make it more realistic and nicer, click again on the rainbow option and then readjust all these options here to suit your preference. Please, while doing it, make sure your eyes is on the screen to see what you're working with and how it is going, so you don't end up turning yourself into something you don't want. So you can increase or reduce the intensity, but for me, I think I left it somewhere here. Okay, at 30 we can work with that, but of course I have to bring down the brightness to a reasonable setup. You can check it out. If it is not okay, you can either increase the brightness or reduce it, but I would advise that you don't leave the brightness too bright. You have to make it a little bit dark so that the video has a depth, and I mean it comes out nicer when it is a little bit not so brightened. And we are doing this because the option is on both. Okay, you can decide to work only on the background. That is, if you don't want this light to be reflecting on you, which is the person on the video, you can click on background over here, and then everything you're doing is just on the background. Okay, but if you want it to reflect on you as well, you can click on both. This both comprises of you and the background. If you don't want the light effect to appear on the background, you can click on just people. And here, as you can see, I hope you're looking at the screen, the light effect has gone from the background to just on me. So you can decide to make it on you. It depends on what you prefer. You can do both. I did both, and you can choose just the background. So this works differently and to your preference. So let's say I'm doing both, which I did in this video. We can reduce the brightness and let's leave it at 70. I don't feel the need of touching all these other options here, but you can explore to see what works for you. You can just check them out and see what works for you. Okay? Manipulate these things until it suits your taste. And then when you're done, you can go back, click on check once you're done. Let's play the video and see.
Welcome back to the channel. Oftentimes, we content creators.
So if you noticed, if lights were moving too fast, it was kind of distracting people from the main thing I was saying in the video. So let's go back and readjust it. Here is the rainbow option. Okay.
To reduce the speed of the light so it blends with the video and not steal all the attention, instead of people to focus on what we're saying, they focus on the light. We are going to reduce the radius to 20. Yeah, 20 is great. Now let's play to see how it has normalized. As you can see, the light is moving so soft and all cozy.
And And that was how I was able to get this soft glam over here. Also, for the part 2 of this video, let me show you how I got the second part. So let's say you don't want to apply this light effect on your original video. You want to apply it on a fake video background. Go to your CapCut app, immediately click on New Project. Go to Photos to import the background image that you want to use for your video. Remember, if you don't know how to generate this background image, I already have a video on how to generate this fake background image for your videos. I'll leave the video on the description box below, so you check it out on how to generate this fake image for your videos. Okay, so let's forge ahead and add this background image. Remember to change the aspect ratio to 16.9. This is the standard aspect ratio for YouTube video, so remember to do that. Once this is done, we want to overlay the video that we made. Scroll the icons below, click on overlay, further click on add overlay, and then go back to video, import the video you want to work on, click on add. When this is done, we want to make sure that the length of the background is equal to the length of the video. So drag to reduce or increase the length, but either ways make sure both lengths are equal. Okay, that way you have a seamless video. Click on your image over here, scroll the icons below and click on remove BG. Click on auto remover, and once that is removed, resize your video to fit on the canvas. Click on check, and then the next thing we need to do is click on the background image, scroll the icons below until you see the relight button. Click on it, make sure your mobile data is on. Remember that as you're clicking, you're moving. Can you see the background color changing? Oh my god, this is so cool. You can go ahead and click on each until you see what works for you. Okay, I think this option is cool. Let's click on it again to set up these things. You can click on light 1 to customize the settings. Let's click on deep red, and you can increase or reduce the intensity. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, and let's click on light 2. Since light 2 is like light blue, we can click on deep blue to change the color. You can increase or reduce the intensity, depends on what you want. Alright, let's go on, and you can increase or reduce the brightness, but it is advisable to reduce the brightness so your video can have more depth. And while doing this, remember to be checking your screen to see what works and what does not work. Okay, if you want the effect to work both on your picture and yourself, you can click on both over here, and these things will be automatically effective on you and on the background. But for this tutorial sake, we are just going to be working on the background, so let's just click on background and leave it at that. So as you can see, guys, this is so cool. I like it. Let's save it and see what it looks like. Okay, let's play it.
Hello, welcome back to the channel.
This is so good. You can literally use this relight option to like take your video from 0 to like 100 in matter of seconds. I think this is actually very cool. If you think this is cool as well, if this video was helpful and impactful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and please drop on the comment section if you have any question or any new thing you may want to know. I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching. Bye.